Hi friends, this is Raja. Welcome to Coder's Companion. The topic that I am going to cover in this video is identity operators with mutable types. This is a series of video on Python programming for beginners. And for more videos, you can visit my channel or click on my playlist link given in the description. Before moving on to the video, I would recommend you to subscribe my channel so that you get the notification each time I publish a new video. Let's get started. This is the last topic in Python operators, and it's a continuation of my previous topic, identity operators with immutable types. Let's understand identity operator with mutable data type. Consider this as a computer memory. We will have memory locations to store values, and these memory locations are identified by its address. Let's create two mutable type variables. Let it be list type variables x is equal to 1, 2, 3 and y is equal to 1, 2, 5. Each values are stored in a specific address in memory, and the variables references the value. It is obvious that both the variable values are different, so they are allocated to different memory address. When I compare the values of x and y using the comparison operator x is equal to y, the output will be false. And when I use identity operator x is y, again the output is false because both the values are different and stored in different memory address. Now let's create another list type variable z is equal to 1, 2, 3. Here the value of x is equal to z. But in case of mutable type, though x is equal to z, they are not the same objects. Variable z is allocated to a different memory location. Now when we use the command x is equal to z, the output will be true because the value of x and z are same. But when we use the identity operator x is z, the output will be false because the address of x and z are not the same. Open Python interactive shell. I am creating two list type variables x is equal to 1, 2, 3 and y is equal to 1, 2, 5. In Python, to know the address of any value in memory, we can use a built-in function called id. So id of x returns a 13-digit number which is the address referenced by x. And the output of id of y is again a 13-digit address referenced by y. You can observe that both the value of x and y are stored in different memory address. Let's use a comparison operator x is equal to y. The output is false because both the values are different. Let's use an identity operator x is y. The output is again false because both are stored in different memory address. I am creating another list variable z is equal to 1, 2, 3. Now the value of x and z are same. But the address of z and x are different. Let's use comparison operator to compare x and z. The output is true as both x and z are having same value. Let's use identity operator x is z and the output is false because the address of x and z are different. Let's update the y value from 1, 2, 5 to 1, 2, 3 so that it is equal to x and z. Now that the y value is changed, the address of y remains the same and the value of x, y and z are same, but the address of each variable is different. Let's compare the value of x, y and z using comparison operator. X is equal to y, x is equal to z and y is equal to z. The output of all these commands will be true because the value of x, y and z are same. Now when we use the identity operator x is y, x is z and y is z, the output of all these commands will be false because the address of x, y and z are different. To update y, I am using the command y of 2 is equal to 3. The address of y remains the same, Comparing the equality of x and y, output is true. X double is equal to z, output is true. And y double is equal to z, output is true. Using identity operator x is y, output is false. X is z, output is false. And y is z, output is false. Let's use an assignment operator to assign y is equal to x. In Python, when an assignment operator is used to assign a value from one variable to another, the value is not copied to the variable. Instead, both variable references the same memory address. From this slide, you can see that when I use the command y is equal to x, y is now references the same address referenced by x, and the value which was previously referenced by y is now has no reference. This will be cleaned up by Python garbage collector. Let's compare the value of x, y and z using comparison operator. X double is equal to y, x double is equal to z, and y double is equal to z. The output of these commands will be true. When we use the identity operator x is y, the output is true because x and y are referencing the same value. For the command x is z, the output is false because the address of x and z are different. Similarly, output of y is z will also be false because address of y and z are also different. I am assigning x to y. Now x and y references the same value. Now the address of x and y are same. X double is equal to y is true. X double is equal to z is true. Y double is equal to z is also true. X is y is true because x and y references the same value. X is z is false and y is z is also false. Let's write the command either z is equal to x or z is equal to y. Now z references the same address referenced by x and y. In other words, x, y and z references the same value. Let's compare the value of x, y and z using the comparison operator. X double is equal to y, x double is equal to z and y double is equal to z. The output of these commands will be true. Now when we use the identity operator x is y, x is z and y is z, the output of all these commands will be true because x, y, z references the same value. I am assigning x to z. Now z and x references the same value. Also y and x references the same value. So all the variables x, y and z references the same value. You can see that the address of x, y and z are same. Comparing the equality x double is equal to y is true, x double is equal to z is true, y double is equal to z is also true. Using the identity operator x is y, x is z and y is z, all commands returns true. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on the like button, share the link to your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you get the notification each time I publish a new video. See you in next video.